everyone, welcome to the Essential Developer Knowledge Course, and in this section we are going to talk about HTML forms and how we can use them. First of all, I'll discuss about this one. This is the defined HTML form tag. It has also an ending tag, what is called like this is the ending tag. And when you want to input any type of text, then you have to write input type. If you want to add any text, then you can write text. If you want to add any number, then you can write number. And when you want to add any submit button, then you can add submit. That's one. And okay, now I'm going to write code in our code editor. And what type of form we are going to add? First of all, this is our form, and this is the form title, form headings. So at first I will write the form heading. So how you can write? Okay, this is my form heading, and this is my form example. And when you submit this form, then just this form. And now I would like to add this line. Type your name. Type your name. Request like this one. This is our form type heading. This is our form text. Now write the name of this one. I want to add this one. Now write the form action from starting tag. This is our form starting tag, and if you want to, you have to write action, and you can add any phrase where you want to often this step in this lead. Okay, now I'm going to empty. I don't want to add any image, any website address or any page link, and we go for number one and free tag. First write the free paragraph tag. In your paragraph, then you have to write the name, write name, like input type space, call double quotation, and then write the name. You want to add in text, then write text. And what type of text you want to add. And if you want to add in anything else, which is we see, type your name. This is the value. How you can write the name, value. Type your name only. Now I am going to save this one. Okay, this is our name, and type your name. This is the value where I have added this one. Next one, I want to add, it will be save, and I don't want to add any number, any name. Just I want to add the number here. So I'm going to change number. Type your number only. Save. You are not able to write any alphabetic letter, and you have to write only numeric 1, 2, 3. You can write on this field. So because I have written in our input type number, so that's why I'm able to write the name, write the number. So next one, and check it out. This is the number I have added, and then I want to add this one checkbox button. How you can add this one? Okay. And you check. I'm using this, changing this one. I am agreeing to your terms and conditions. You can write. And if you want to use input type example, input type. I want to add text checkbox. Select checkbox. Okay, then save it. Yeah, checkbox. I want to mark this checkbox, and I want to mark this checkbox default. And write the set. And this one. And save it. When you refresh this web page, then this mark will be automatically marked as set. Okay, now we are going to add another one. We are going to add bullet review button. So how you can add review button? Let's check it out. And check. Just choose only one option. Okay, now write the name, input type, review, name, gender, value, male, then save it. Only one review button is available here. If you want to add more, then add the code. If you want to add the text, I can want like this, and then where we are, we want to space it. Same thing. Gender, review, female. Female name. Save it. Male or female. This will be others. This will be third gender. Third. Save it. Third gender. And you can add this option, and how you can write the name, how you can write the bullet. Okay, next one, I want to add the submit button. How you can add submit button? This is easy to do it. And if you want to add submit button, then write the input, same things whatever we have did in our first time, and write the name. Here should be button, and value should be each information you want to add. I want to save this one, but there is many text. So if you want to show any text, then you have to write the name, value, submit, save it. This is the submit button, and then this is submit. And you can write the name here, and you can input the number, you can check mark, and you can choose anyone and submit. This is the form. And if you want to know more, and if you want to if you want to get the code, then you can browse my website techadvisor.org. And thank you so much, and In our next video, we are going to talk about, okay, don't worry, and next, see you in next video section. We are going to talk about HTML input types, because this is very essential. I'm just going to copy these all that elements. Then that's this one, right? Save. I see lots of information I see here. This is the one, the side box. This is the side box. How you can add the side box? Then you can write the side box here. And if you want to add any color, then you can choose from this color, because I have added this one. This function is, and date. When you want to add any things, and that's the date. That's the date. That is the year, and this is the date, and date, time, and local. And how you can add this? You can add also date and also time. PM or AM, like this one, and you can choose from this here. You can also select. Just you can add, and if you want to add an email, then you can add also. I want to add email. This is my email. You can write your email address. And file, and you can choose, you can upload any file, then you can write the name, the file, and hidden files. And this is the submit button. And image, you can add of image, which one, and month, it's the month name, and number, you can choose the number, and radio, the radio button, and range, and you can range means you can increase and decrease the size of this, anything else. Or reset, that means then when you return anything else, then you can select, you can click on the reset, then all input, all text will be deleted. And telephone, and so text, and time, and URL, and you can write the name, reset, and charge. You can charge whatever you want to charge by using this one. And telephone, this is the telephone number where you can add by using this one. And text, and this is the time where we have to add first, and this is the URL. And if you can also add www.google.com, you can add the URL, and you can also pick which we can. And you can add also each name. So that is the actually this is the example of the input types in HTML. So thank you so much, and if you have any question, please let me know, and see you soon, and see you on next video. Thank you.